Hey everyone, today we're checking out Vivaldi Browser. Is it really the best cross-platform private browser? Let's find out. What is Vivaldi? Vivaldi is a web browser that puts you in control, made by former Opera team members. It's all about giving you choices. Unlike Chrome or Safari, Vivaldi doesn't track you or sell you data. Privacy features. Privacy is built into Vivaldi from the ground up. It has a built-in ad blocker and tracker blocker. No profiling, no data mining. When you sync your stuff between devices, it's all encrypted. They don't collect or sell your browsing data, which is huge these days. Customization. Here is where Vivaldi shines. You can change almost everything. Move buttons around, pick your colors, adjust how tabs look. It's like building your own browser. Most browsers give you a few options, but Vivaldi gives you hundreds. Tab management. Vivaldi has the best tab management I've seen. Tab stacks let you group related tabs together. Workspaces let you organize tabs by topic, like work, shopping, or research. You can even split tabs side by side to compare pages. It's perfect for heavy internet users. Built-in tools. No need for extra apps. Vivaldi includes a note-taking tool, calendar, email client, and task manager. There's even a built-in screenshot tool and translation feature. It's like having a whole productivity suite in your browser. Cross-platform. Works on everything. Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iPhone. Your settings sync across all devices, so you get the same experience everywhere. Performance. Built on the same engine as Chrome, so it's fast and works with Chrome extensions, but it uses less memory and gives you more control over how it runs. The downsides. It can feel overwhelming at first. There are so many options that new users might get lost. Also, it's not as popular as Chrome or Firefox, so you won't find as many online guides. Verdict. If you want privacy, customization, and powerful features, Vivaldi is fantastic. It's perfect for power users who are tired of basic browsers. Yes, it's one of the best cross-platform private browsers available today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.